How to write a resume. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to write a professional resume that stands out. Let's get started. First, gather all the necessary information. Your contact details, work experience, education, skills, and any certifications. Having everything in one place makes the process smoother. Next, choose a format. There are three main types: chronological, functional, and combination. A chronological resume lists your work history in reverse order. A functional resume focuses on your skills and experience. A combination resume is a mix of both. For most people, the chronological format works best. Start with your header. This should include your name, phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile, if you have one. Make sure your email address is professional. Next, write an objective or summary statement. This is a brief section at the top of your resume that highlights your career goals or professional strengths. Keep it concise and relevant to the job you're applying for. Now, list your work experience. Start with your most recent job and work backward. Include the job title, company name, location, and dates of employment. Use bullet points to describe your responsibilities and achievements. Quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. Then, add your education. Include the degree you earned, the school you attended, and your graduation date. If you're a recent graduate, you can also include relevant coursework or honors. List your skills next. Focus on skills that are relevant to the job you're applying for. This can include technical skills, software proficiency, and soft skills like communication or teamwork. Finally, include any certifications, awards, or additional sections like volunteer work or languages spoken. These can help you stand out. Once you've filled in all the sections, format your resume neatly. Use a clean, professional font and keep the layout simple. Don't forget to proofread carefully for any spelling or grammar errors. And that's it. You've got yourself a professional resume. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Good luck with your job search.